Sir, what are your thoughts on the proposal to repeal the oil redegradation law and remove the VAT on fuel imports?
As I said before, nothing is being discounted. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng maaring gawin upang meron tayong magawa para tulungan na pagaangin ang epekto at nitong nangyari itong gera sa Middle East ay talagang pinag-uusapan namin. But what we are focused now is immediate. We will have to amend the older regulation. Mahaba pang diskusyon yan. I don't know when it will come out. So we are focused right now on the immediate, what we can do immediately. Kagaya nung sinabi ko sa statement ko, kung ano yung maaari nating paratingin kaagad na tulong sa taong bayan, yun ang aming ginagawa, yun ang namin pinag-iisipan ngayon. But as I said, kahit lahat ng maaring gawin, tinitignan namin, pinag-aaralan namin.
Okay.